This is my trade for last week, 22 to 26. 465 dollars. I made 3 losses. I'm gonna cover the two, and my best trades too. I'm going to analyze them. So let's go over to the. There's a similarity between my Euro card and Euro USD, the ones that made a profit. It's a little bit similar. I found a swing that broke structure, and it became the swing that I used to determine my 88.6 fib level. For example, this is the swing, and I was able to. You could see underneath. You could see the zone I used to mark the 88.6 fib level of this entire wave. However, my order was around the 78.6 because of this, because of some technicalities I can't espouse right here in this video. But you can see that it bounced back on the 88.6 and then it went up, and I made some 60 pips on this pair on Eurocard, which is my best pair if you've been following this channel. Same thing applies to Euro USD. Euro USD, it was similar, just that the trade was not um, even though Euro USD was bearish, I was still trying to cop out some profits, but it's I I closed it at 14 pips from here. This was where my order was, then upwards at 14 pips, and you could see that it went downwards easily afterwards. So I'm glad I did that. However, on pounds USD, that was where I fucked up. I did not follow my rule. The difference between pounds USD and Euro USD is that on Euro USD you can, if you're a Fibonacci trader, you can still get away with some things on Euro pairs, Euro USD, Euro yen, Euro card, uh, except Euro AUD. That's some that's a very wide pair. So my first trade was here. I lost $100 on this. I was supposed to, of course, I think we were bearish here, but I was willing to. I bought, and then I put my order around here, and then it went downwards. I lost $100, but this was my most painful trade for last week. Uh, as you could see, even my 88.6 fib zone was already marked on the chart. But what I should have done was wait for a change of character. You could see it got into the zone. I had some weeks because it was getting some new orders, and then it went down, but my stop loss was already triggered. What I should have done was I should have waited for a change in character, and let me show you what I mean by that. So once you have your zone already, you will be awaiting a change of character to happen before you place an order. It is very advisable for you to use a change of character to filter the bad trades, especially on volatile pairs like pounds USD and pounds yen. So let's say you move from here. Let's start from something like this place. So this a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, and then a higher high, and then you have a low that broke through this low, and that's a change of character. That is what they call a change of character. So I could have, what I should have done was I should have found a way to take this trade right here, this short time frame retracement, and I could have waited for this uh, swing to happen, and then I would have taken this trade right here, and that would have made me some 60 to 80 pips. Even if I missed that trade, this particular point, I could have um, gotten this one, you know, because on the 5 minutes time frame, I don't often use the 88.6. I use the 0.618 and the 50 fib level. Or my favorite thing to do is uh, I would have used this small candle right here as a Fibonacci determinator. So I wouldn't have waited for the 78.6 fib level. So what I do is that I will just take this zone, and I will look for the nearest fib that clicks with that zone, which is the 618. Oftentimes it's the 618. So I will place my stop loss above this candle, this big huge candle, 10 pips. If I want to reduce my stop loss, I will just go down to 1 minute time frame and look for something on that time frame to trigger that. So yeah, that was how my week went. It was terrible. I don't like breaking my rules. It was awful. But yeah, I made $465 or something. So that's around 40 pips in on average. It's just something. I will be focusing more on pounds USD, or I think I'll be focusing solely on pounds USD this week. And I wish you join me on my Telegram group. And I wish you a lovely uh, trading week. May the forex be with you.